In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Confluence. Whether you're organizing projects, storing resources for your team, or simply tidying up your workspace, creating folders within Confluence is a really handy skill to have. We'll take it step by step so you can follow along easily. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Confluence account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the For You Confluence section. This is the hub where most of your activity will begin, so becoming familiar with its layout is really helpful. Here, you'll find a list of the spaces and pages available to you. Next, navigate to the specific Confluence page where you wish to create your new folder. This is usually the spot where you've stored related content or documents you're planning to organize. Take a moment to ensure that you're on the right page because this will make retrieving and organizing your files a lot easier in the future. Once you're on the desired page, look for the Create button. This button is generally located in a prominent spot, often at the top of the page, making it easy to spot. Clicking this button will initiate the process of creating new content. As you click Create, you'll be presented with various options such as creating new pages or spaces, but for today, our focus is on folders. Look for and click on the option that says Folder. This choice is specifically tailored for organizing documents or information into separate, easily accessible sections. Selecting Folder will open up a new input space where you can name your folder. Here comes one of the most crucial parts. Naming your folder. Think about using clear, descriptive names that reflect the contents of what the folder will house. A good naming system keeps everything organized and easy to find later. Once you've decided on a name, go ahead and type it in. After you finish typing, simply press Enter to save this new folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created a folder in Confluence. If organizing your workspace effectively is your goal, creating folders is one of the simplest yet most efficient methods you can use. Remember, well-organized information is critical for teamwork and productivity. If at any time you need to make changes such as renaming the folder, most systems allow easy editing within your account. Thanks for joining me in learning how to create a folder in Confluence. Feel free to pause, replay, or revisit any part of this tutorial as needed. Happy organizing! And I hope this helps keep your Confluence spaces neat and structured.